Ever wonder how the appliances you use every day, your washing machine, fridge, or microwave, are tested for safety and durability? Here at Alpha Test House, we specialize in consumer durables and white goods testing to ensure your home appliances are built to last. From performance testing to safety assessments, we rigorously evaluate everything from energy efficiency to how well these products handle wear and tear. At Alpha Test House, our goal is to ensure every product meets international standards before it reaches your home. We use cutting-edge technology to simulate real-life conditions, making sure your appliances not only perform well, but are also safe to use for years to come. Whether it's a small appliance or a major one, Alpha Test House guarantees that your product is reliable, efficient, and safe for you and your family. Trust Alpha Test House for all your consumer durables and white goods testing needs. We test it so you can trust it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about our services or have any testing needs, visit our website or contact us directly. Let's work together to achieve the highest standards in quality and safety. Alpha Test House, your trusted partner in testing excellence.